Hey, what's up, Digibyte holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Digibyte. DGB Coin holders, this update is very urgent for all of you. If you are a holder, so please don't miss. Keep watching this video till the end, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, the latest price of the DGB Coin as 0.06 USD dollar is the latest price of DGB. On the other side, if you look the price of BTC of DGB 0.0000182 USD dollar is the latest price of DGB coin. Same like that, if you look the market cap, if you look the 24 hours volume of the DGB coin, total supply, available supply of DGB is here. You can see now on the screen. My friends, on the other side, if we look the price changes occur in the DGB, the last 1 hour price change, the last 24 hours price change, the last 1 week price change, you can see now on the screen. The whole changes has gone wrong. DGB coin is completely and the false from the previous last 1 week. I'm very shocked to see this kind of change occur in the DGB. Oh my god, what's wrong with you, DGB coin? My friends, the last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 24 hours pricing is negative. You know what 24 hours mean? The 1st June price is negative. And as I told you in my previous videos that the 1st June there's a lot of chances to cryptocurrencies take a huge pump, but unfortunately DGB is completely fast down in the start of June. Same like that, the last 1 week price is also negative, my friends. So my personal recommendation, my personal suggestion for everyone, for DGB coin holders at this time, is you can see now on the graph of DGB completely falls down occurs in the DGB coin. So my friends, it's time to hold. If you hold, there's a chances in the future today again take a jump. And on the other side, if you decide to sell at this time, so as I show you in the start of this video, that the last 1 week, last 1 month price changes as negative, so that's clear that you are in the loss. That is why I suggest for everyone, it's time to hold. Maybe there's a chances in the future today again take a jump. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Harmony DGB coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.